All right, we are going to start a new page today. This is going to be called Mr. B's Shop page. I've now taken the job as welding and construction trades instructor for Eunice High School in Eunice, New Mexico. This is kind of the look around at the facility really quick. There's inside to the classroom. We got some bandsaws over here. Welding area in the far distance, storage areas and work areas. We even have a 3-ton overhead crane. And then we have the specialty welding area. All right, part of what the students are doing is they are learning their general hand tools. So, for those that couldn't make it, here is your hand tool test. On a piece of paper, you need to put down the best answer. Number 1, is this a socket, a standard socket, or a deep socket? Number 2, is this a round file, a circle file, or a triangle file? Number 3, is this a handle? Is this a break-over handle, B-R-E-A-K, or is this a break-over handle, B-R-A-K-E? Yes, you need to know how to spell. Number 4, is this a wrench, an adjustable wrench, or C, a box end wrench? Moving around the table. Number 5, is this a ratchet handle, a lever handle, or just a cool handle? Number 6, is this a box end wrench, a combination end wrench, or is it a 7/8 wrench? Number 7, this vise. Now, we had some discussions in class while I was trying to do the tools because people are messing with these vices on the benches. These are bench vices. Anyway, is this vice, are you supposed to A, tighten it as tight as it will go, B, have the handle in a vertical or up and down position, or C, Number 8, this tool. Is this tool A wood chisel, B, a cold chisel, or C, a water chisel? Number 9, number 8 can be used with a hammer, a mallet, or a screwdriver. Number 10, these two items. Are they A, concrete or masonry bits, B, twist drill bits, or C, auger bits? 11, is this an A, bar, B, extension, or C, round thing? Number 12, is this device a U-joint, a universal joint, or is it A and B? 13, is this a deep socket, a standard socket, or is it C, a widget? There's your first 13. We're moving on. Number 14, this item here that is tightly wrapped leather on a wooden handle. Is this A, a hammer, B, a sledge, or C, a mallet? 15, can I use number 14 as a striking tool? In other words, can I hit something full force as hard as I can? Yes or no? 16, is this A rip saw? Let me get in closer to the teeth so you can see. Is this a rip saw, a coping saw, or a cross-cut saw? This device here that is made of a metal other than steel. Is this A, copper hammer, B, a brass hammer, or C, a mallet? Construction trades classes and my junior high class are going to be learning how to at least read one of these and do some simple computations. Is this a square, a slow square, or a speed square? 19. Are these honkin' scissors, metal shears, or snippy snips? 20. Is this a coping saw, a rip saw, or a cross-cut saw? 21. Are these diagonal wire cutters, or can they be both A and B? 22. Are these A, pinchers, B, pliers, or C, locking pliers? This device here there we go. Is this a flat file, a half round file, or a triangle file? And number 24 that goes with this, the pointy end of this file is called an A, juice, B, tang, C, point. One I had on Facebook earlier today. These devices here, are they twisters, plastic-handled pry bars, or C, screwdrivers? Number 26, this device, this tool here. Is this an A, adjustable wrench? I skipped B, one of the students noticed that. C, thingamajig, or D, wrench? I was tired when I was putting these cards together. 27. The size of number 26, as well as many other tools, is measured by A, the head size, B, the handle size, or C, the what? They come in sizes? (28) Are these A, L wrench, B, Allen wrench, C, hex key wrench, or D, all of the above? Number 29. Is this a sledge, a claw hammer, or a ball peen hammer? Are these A, slip joint adjustable pliers, B, pinchers, or C, a poor man's wrench? 31. Are these a needle threader, needle nose cutting pliers, or wire cutters? 32. Is this a ball peen hammer, forging hammer, or drilling hammer? Now, these were not in the packet, but are these A, nuts, or B, bolts? 34. Is this a skill saw, B, a hack saw, or C, a coping saw? 35. Are these bolts or nuts? Okay, 36. These have a handle. Are these A, a cold chisel, B, a wood chisel, or C, a water chisel? 37. Is this device a round file, a triangle file, or a flat or bastard file? 38. The flat part of the file, this area here, is it called the face, the eyes, or the nose? 39. Is this a bit, a twist drill bit, or a twist auger bit? Number 40. Is this a blacksmith hammer, a forging hammer, or C, can it be both A and B? And is 41 a miner's hammer, a driller's hammer, or is this a 10-pound sledgehammer? And that clears that table. Now, for my only electrically powered tool, is this a bit brace, a hand drill, or C, a cordless electric drill? This device here with the big teeth, is this A wood teeth, B, a wood file, or C, a wood rasp? And in our class, did we call this a bubble level, a plumb level, or a level level? From our class, is this a ruler? Is it a tape measure? Or is it a chalk line? This device here, that's severely rusted and has been abused throughout its life, is this a round, a corner, or a square? 47. This long thing with the end there, is this an A, crowbar, B, ripping bar, or C, pry bar? Is this a string thing, a chalk line, or a straight marker? And finally, 49 and 50 go with this right here, these. Are these A, goggles, B, shades, or C, safety glasses? And 50. Is it okay to work in the shop without wearing eye protection? True or false? And that concludes your general tool identification test.